Bonjour! Want that perfect light and refreshing summer side salad? I'm so happy you joined us here on French Cuisine Made Simple, where you will learn to make this simple cucumber salad that is a sure no-fail. On this channel, you get to learn easy yet gourmet French recipes and a little French culture, all while bringing a little extra ooh la la into your cooking. This cucumber salad is the perfect summertime side to fit any meal or that barbecue picnic with friends and family. The cool, refreshing cucumbers, accompanied by fresh green onions, an avocado, olive oil, and topped off with fresh feta cheese, mint, and Greek olives is simply delightful. You can eat this next to a sandwich, or some bread, cheese, and a slice of deli meat if you're here in France. It's a great side to jazz up any summer dish. Stay tuned, and you'll also learn some awesome facts as to why cucumbers are so cool. No, not New Kids on the Block kind of cool, but why they give a cooling effect on the body. Oh yeah, and we will also find out the truth. Is a cucumber a fruit or a vegetable? Sound good? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be informed when the latest French Cuisine Made Simple recipes are available. Oh yeah, do you know I have a recipe blog? Go check it out below, because there are some great easy French recipes in there too. Are you ready? Allons-y, let's go! Here's what you'll need. A nice sized cucumber, un concombre. Here in France, they sell mostly English cucumbers, which are more thin and long. A green onion, un oignon frais. If you don't have this, just use an onion you have on hand. An avocado, un avocat, nice and ripe. A swig of fresh mint, la menthe, and feta cheese, same word in English and French, feta. Here are the seasonings: salt, le sel, pepper, le poivre, dill, aneth, apple cider vinegar, vinaigre de cidre, and olive oil, huile d'olive. Hey listen, if you're missing some of these non-essential ingredients, don't worry. Remember, this is French cuisine made simple. The extra stuff just adds that extra ooh la la to the salad. Let's start with the cucumber. Cut the ends. Peel the cucumber into zebra stripes to give it some fanciness. Next, cut your cuc in half. Then cut it in half again, long ways, straight down the middle. After, cut it in half, long ways again. Line them up and cut it in even slices, which means cutting them in quarters. You don't want to cut your slices too thin because you want to keep that nice crunch of the cucumbers. While I'm finishing cutting this cuc, here are some of those cool facts I promised you about the cucumbers. Alright, let's get the much debated question over with. So is a cucumber a fruit or a vegetable? Well, as a previous science teacher, I have the honor of sharing with you that despite many misconceptions, a cucumber is actually a fruit. It's defined as an angiosperm because the fruit develops from a flower and because their seeds are in the middle of their, fruit. Now you know. Also, cucumbers are made up of 95% of water, which means they help with hydration and they can also help curb hunger. Let's shed some pounds by eating cucumbers. Anyone need a multivitamin? Cucs contain many B vitamins as well as vitamin C, iron, silica, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and more. Okay, so why are cucumbers so cool? They are said to help cool the temperature of the blood and swelling, which is where the phrase "as cool as a cucumber" came from. I guess that's why people put them on their eyes. I wonder if this will make me look younger. Cuc can also be used to help cool sunburn. Another neat fact about this fruit is the cucumbers can be 20 degrees lower in temperature than their outside environment. Let's see if it's true. Here's a room temperature cucumber. The outside temperature is 77 degrees. And the inside temperature of the cucumber is, I feel I'm hurting it, 69 degrees. That's a difference of 8 degrees. It's not 20, but it is cooler inside a cuc. Now that's cool. Cucumbers are amazing. Let me know why you like cucumbers in the comments below. Okay, back to the recipe. For the onion, remove the wilty and rooted ends. Begin to cut the onion in round slices all the way to the tail end. I've got kiddos who don't really like onions too much, so I make sure the onion pieces are large enough for them to pick out. Avocado time! Everyone has their own special way of cutting this thing, but here's mine. Cut it in half. We're just going to use a half of an avocado for this recipe. Slowly and carefully cut the avocado in cubes. Then take a spoon and scoop it all out. Now for the mint. This is such a fun summer herb. Normally we think of mint in chewing gum or Tic Tacs, but summer salads are the perfect place for this refreshing plant. Even if you don't have a green thumb, this plant is so easy to take care of in a pot. I actually have 3 different types: Nepali mint, peppermint, and Moroccan mint. Once having removed a few leaves, stack them up and cut them in small pieces. Let's start putting our salad together. Add the mint to the cucumbers, some onions, both green and white parts, avocado, and now the feta. Hey, did you know that most feta cheese in France is made from only sheep milk? This one is made from half sheep and half goat milk. Take the feta and crumble it in your hands, letting it drop into the bowl. So what to do with the rest of the feta? Normally, once you open a package, you have to finish it within a day or 2, or it will get smelly and turn really fast. Here's a quick tip to help your cheese stay fresh for over 2 weeks. Take a container and put enough water in it to be able to cover the top of the cheese. Next, take 2 pinches of salt, sprinkle it in, and let it dissolve. Then, simply put your cheese in, cover it, and put it in the fridge. Last time I did this, I totally forgot about the feta. I mean, things get lost in the fridge. And 3 weeks later, the cheese was totally preserved. I was amazed. Let me know if you tried this and it worked for you too. Alright, here's what we got so far. Cukes, onions, and feta. Time for the seasonings. A good olive oil brings all the taste together. Be generous in the amount you put on the salad. Next, apple cider vinegar, pepper, salt according to taste, and some dill. Mix them together. So I totally forgot an ingredient: black Greek olives, or your favorite olives. Okay, one more mix. Let's serve it up. There you go. Et voila! A simple summertime cucumber salad. All kids and adults love this salad. Who could say no to cheese and cucumbers? This salad is best eaten as soon as you make it, as cucumbers tend to go mushy and watery quickly. If you bring this salad to a barbecue, be sure to add all the ingredients together beforehand, except the oil and vinegar. Bring the vinaigrette in a separate container and put it on last minute. So, stay cool, my French cuisine friends, and don't forget to check out the full recipe on my blog. Merci beaucoup et au revoir!